Hello everyone, this is Nitin Biradar. I have completed my graduation in BSc CS from Savitribai Phule University. I am an incubation student. I have joined Qspiders in June. What things I have learned here are what the courses I have completed is Java, Python, SQL, web technology, and apart from that aptitude. While teaching and learning everything, I have completed all the courses without missing any class, right? So, and what the things I am completely appreciating about the faculties. The faculties are very supportive. They will solve all your queries if you go to there, right? So you have to go there, go to them, and after that they will solve all the queries. They are very helpful. After that, HRs are also very helpful in providing requirements. Like they will call you and like invite you for the grooming sessions and all. You have to attend their mock presentations. You have daily on daily basis. You have to attend mock presentations. You have to give the mocks in presentation. They will build you with very good confidence in that, right? So I have done all the things. Like I have attended all the presentations. My all mock ratings are 1 star. So these things are very helping me while cracking interviews. Just recently I got placed in Sitco as on the designation of Python developer with the good package. The location is Kharadi, right? So and all the first I would like to thanks to HR because they helped me a lot in the total requirement schedule, and my faculties mostly thanks to Vivek sir, Akshay sir, they helped me a lot, and Nikhil sir and Shagufta ma'am, the HRs will completely help me a lot. And just I want as a student I want to say you one thing, you have to do taking admission, it's not always the thing, right? You just take the admissions and they will provide you they will definitely provide you the placement. They will definitely provide this placement, but you have to implement, you have to show something to them, right? So just focus on that things. Well, thank you so much.